In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink your PayPal account from your eBay profile. This process is straightforward and only takes a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to switch accounts or simply prefer another payment method, I'll guide you through it to ensure everything is crystal clear. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to the eBay website. You'll want to ensure you're logged into the account from which you'd like to unlink PayPal. If you're not logged in already, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, you should find yourself on the eBay homepage. Next, you'll navigate to your profile. This can typically be found at the top right corner of the page. It's usually represented by an icon with your name or a little avatar symbol. Go ahead and click on that, and from the drop-down menu, locate and click on Account Settings. This is where all the important details about your account are managed, so it's like the control center for your eBay experience. Within the account settings, you're going to want to focus on the Payments section. Clicking on Payments will show you all the linked financial accounts to your eBay profile. This includes the PayPal account you're looking to remove. It might take a few seconds to load this information, so don't worry if it's not instant. Once you're inside the Payments section, you'll see your PayPal account listed here if it's currently linked. Beside the PayPal account details, there should be an option to delete or remove it. Don't worry when you see the delete option. It won't delete your PayPal account, just the link to eBay. So confidently click that option to proceed. After you've clicked delete, you might get a prompt asking you to confirm this action. This is just eBay's way of ensuring that you truly want to unlink the account. Agree to the prompt, and with that, your PayPal will no longer be linked to your eBay account. And that's it. You're done. It really is that simple. This process can be handy if you're updating your financial details or just streamlining the way you handle payments online. Remember, you can always relink another PayPal account or use alternate payment methods provided by eBay. If you ran into any issues during this process or have additional questions, feel free to explore eBay's help section or reach out to their customer support for more assistance. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide useful. Be sure to check out more of our content for helpful tips and guides. Until next time, take care.